Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO Demolitions Expert, and this is set 60075 from 2015 to 2016, and it's the excavator and truck. So get back of the truck and lift up and down, and also this back section can open up, and then you also get this excavator that you can turn, then it drops the Lego wall pieces into the truck, and you also get this beautiful excavator, and also front piece can move up and down, and also this door can open and close, and there are too many figures in the set. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.